In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 Fiverr affiliate services that you should promote on Facebook if you want to earn commission. Okay, those will be easy and simple Fiverr affiliate services that you should promote on Facebook if you want to earn commission like this. Okay, as you can see over here, I made $110 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook, and easy, simple, with free traffic. Okay, so let's get started. So for beginners who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to scroll down like this. Okay, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, it's really easy and simple. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get more information about Fiverr affiliate links and how much you will earn. So if you click over here and see commission, they are paying a really good commission up to $115, as you can see over here. Okay, that's a really a lot of money if you got just one person to buy an affiliate link from your just to buy an affiliate service from your affiliate link. You will earn up to $115. That's a lot of money. Okay, as you can see, this is the commission: $15 for those services, $14 for those services, 13, and so on, 25 and 50. Okay, so what you need to do to join Fiverr affiliate, click over here on join now and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do is you need to sign up. You put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, you will answer a few questions over here. As you can see, you will choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, and that's it. It's really easy and simple, as you can see. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your Fiverr home page. Okay, to your Fiverr first account. Okay, like this. Okay, and so now I'm gonna share with you 5 profitable Fiverr affiliate services that you should promote on Facebook if you want to earn commission. So let's start with the first service, and it's search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, this is the first service. Okay, and there are a lot of people are searching for YouTube thumbnails, how to create YouTube thumbnails for their YouTube videos. So that's why you should start promoting this service. Okay, scroll down. As you can see, you will find a lot of people here who are selling this service, and I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like top rated seller, level 2 seller, level 1 seller, and so on. Okay, so for example, let's choose for example this one, top rated seller. Click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. As you can see, people keep coming back. This seller is making a good service for his client. So what you need to do is you need to copy his profile link like this. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, like this. Click over here and put your affiliate link, your Fiverr profile link seller here. Okay, and click over here. Here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Copy this link from here, okay? What you need to do now, go to Facebook, go to your Facebook homepage, okay? We will promote our affiliate service on Facebook groups. Click on the search for YouTube, okay? Search for YouTube, scroll down, click on groups, okay? Because we need Facebook groups like this. And here you go, you will find a lot of YouTube Facebook groups that you need to join, okay? So make sure to join on those groups. So for example, let's take for example this one. Just click on the first group, scroll down, and you should find people here who has YouTube channels, okay? So let me see. As you can see, here is one other person is putting his YouTube link. Here is another one. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's choose another group YouTuber, YouTube creator. Let me see this one. Scroll down, and here you go. Those people has YouTube channels. I need 1 subscribers. Anybody looking for active subscribe? As you can see, they are putting their YouTube videos links on this group, okay? As you can see, what you need to do, click over here on write something, and you can write, for example, if you are searching for YouTube thumbnail for your videos, check this seller on Fiverr and put your affiliate link here like that, okay? As you can see, this is my affiliate link. If you are searching for a YouTube thumbnail for your videos, check this there on Fiverr. Or what you can do, okay, let's change this. Go back to this seller, scroll down. You can see here about this gig, increase, copy his description. Okay, I'm gonna just copy this part because he's explaining his service good here. So I'm gonna use his description, paste. Here you go. Increase your YouTube channel's presence by strong, engaging, attractive thumbnail design. Here you go, click on post, and this Fiverr affiliate service will be posted on this YouTube Facebook group. There are a lot of people here who has YouTube channels. They will be interested to buy this service to increase their channel's growth, okay? So that's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook, okay? This is the first service. So let me show you another service. Okay, let's go back to Fiverr. YouTube thumbnail, okay? This is the first service. Next service is logo design, okay? Search for logo design. This service is a good and profitable service because there are a lot of people searching for logo designer on Facebook groups, as you can see over here. And like I said, make sure to choose good seller. So let me show you how we can find people who will buy this service from your affiliate link. Go back to your Facebook homepage, search for logo design, scroll down, click on groups, And here you go, you will find a lot of logo design Facebook groups that you need to join. Okay, so make sure to join all those groups. Okay, let's take for example this one. You should find people here who are searching for logo designer. Here is another, here is a person just posted this post today looking for logo designer, best graphic designer and logo artist needed. As you can see, let's scroll down. Logo designer needed urgently. DM me. This person is looking for logo designer. Scroll down, graphic designer. You will find a lot. Logo designer, anyone here? There are a lot of people are searching for logo designer. Okay, so this is the second. Logo design is the second profitable affiliate service that you can promote on Facebook. Okay, and the next affiliate service that you should promote on Facebook is YouTube promotion. Okay, search for YouTube promotion. Scroll down. This service is all profitable and there are a lot of people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. So go back to Facebook. If you search for YouTube subscribers, search for YouTube subscribers. Okay, and scroll down, click over here on groups because we need YouTube Facebook groups. As you can see, we found a lot of YouTube Facebook groups. Click over here. Those people will be interested to buy YouTube promotion service to grow their YouTube channels. As you can see, people are posting their YouTube videos links in this group. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of people here sharing their YouTube channels link and videos. Okay, they will be interested to buy this YouTube promotion service. Okay, so next service guys is YouTube SEO. Okay, search for YouTube SEO. This service also is profitable and you can promote this service on YouTube groups. Okay, like this. Just go to your Facebook homepage, search for YouTube subscribers, join those groups and start promoting this service. Okay, let me show you. Start promoting YouTube SEO services. Okay, and next service is YouTube. It's about YouTube editing. Okay, editor. Search for YouTube editing or YouTube editor. Scroll down. As you can see, YouTube editor. This service also is great and profitable. Go to Facebook, search for YouTube subscribers, join those groups and promote your affiliate service on this group. Okay, because there are a lot of small YouTubers that they want to grow their YouTube channels. They will be interested to use a video editor, expert video editor that will help them to edit their videos and it gets more views, more subscribers and grow fast. Okay, those people, there are a lot of people here will be interested to use this service. Okay, so that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook, and that's the 5 profitable affiliate services that you should start promoting on Facebook if you want to earn commission. Thank you so much for watching guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any question, leave it in the comments and I'm gonna answer all your questions in my next video. See you in my next video.